Good evening. Tonight we're going to discuss two disappointing books. 1. American Nations by Colin Woodard, which was deeply disappointing. Could have been so much better. And then OMG, WTF, Does the Constitution Actually Say? By Sheehan, which was also disappointing. So many men come so close. They begin well, and then it just kind of peters out. Now, both of these books are talking about America and what Americans believe, what Americans think is important, heritage, and all the rest of this stuff. But you'd be a lot better off reading Allow Me to Retort by Elie Mystal, because he makes no apologies and he doesn't disappoint. Now, I gave each of these books 3 stars because they deserve 3 stars. It's one thing when you have such a vast period of detail to cover, do forget a bit of nuance. I mean, you want clarity, you want brevity, but you also want to be mindful that we're not dealing with monoliths. We're dealing with people. Okay? And you have a bit of problem understanding what the Constitution actually says, because the language has changed over the years. And if you're not willing to explain why they said what they said, what was topical at the time, how what was going on was affecting what the Constitution said, then, it's going to be ultimately unsatisfactory. So that's where these two fail. They go along, or they start off well, and they go along nicely, and then it's like suddenly they fell asleep. And they had to just have something on there to finish up with. Hit the button. Get it to the publisher. So no, I wouldn't recommend both of these books to anyone. But I would recommend Allow Me to Retort. If you want to know what the Constitution says, read it. It's not that difficult to understand. Just read it. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And please do come again.